In today's world, self-reliance is more valuable than ever. A survival garden offers a sense of security and peace of mind. It's about taking control of your food supply. It's about connecting with nature and understanding the rhythms of the earth. Survival gardens are about resilience and sustainability. They are about empowering ourselves to face uncertain times. By cultivating our own food, we reduce our dependence on fragile supply chains. We also create a haven for biodiversity, attracting pollinators and beneficial insects. Survival gardens are not just about practicality, they're about reconnecting with the land. They're about nurturing life and appreciating the bounty of nature. As you sow seeds and tend to your plants, you participate in a timeless cycle of growth and renewal. Soil is the lifeblood of your survival garden. It's a complex ecosystem teeming with organisms that support plant life. Healthy soil provides essential nutrients, water and oxygen to your plants. It also acts as an anchor, ensuring their stability and growth. Understanding your soil is crucial for successful gardening. Different soils have different compositions and properties. Clay soil, for example, is dense and retains water, while sandy soil is loose and drains quickly. Knowing your soil type helps you choose suitable plants and tailor your gardening practices. Soil testing is the key to unlocking the secrets of your garden's foundation. Soil testing is a straightforward process that provides valuable insights into your garden's potential. You can purchase a soil testing kit from a garden center or online. These kits typically include instructions and materials for collecting soil samples. To collect a representative sample, choose several different spots in your garden. Dig down about 6 inches and collect a small amount of soil from each location. Mix these samples together in a clean container. Then follow the instructions provided in your testing kit to complete the analysis. Soil testing kits often use color-coded charts or digital readings to indicate the pH level and nutrient content. Some kits also provide information on potential contaminants, such as heavy metals. Once you've completed the soil test, it's time to interpret the results. The pH level indicates the acidity or alkalinity of your soil. Most vegetables prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH, around 6 to 7. The nutrient content reveals the levels of essential elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients are vital for plant growth and development. If your soil is deficient in any of these nutrients, you'll need to amend it with fertilizers or organic matter. If your soil test reveals contaminants, it's important to take steps to mitigate the risks. Heavy metals, for example, can accumulate in plants and pose health concerns. You may need to consult with a soil remediation specialist to address contamination issues. Armed with the knowledge from your soil test, you can take steps to optimize your soil for abundant harvests. If your pH is too low, you can raise it by adding lime. If it's too high, you can lower it by adding sulfur. To boost nutrient levels, you can incorporate organic matter like compost or manure. These materials provide a slow release of nutrients and improve soil structure. You can also use specific fertilizers to address deficiencies in nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium. Regular soil testing is essential for maintaining optimal conditions. As you cultivate your garden, the nutrient levels and pH can fluctuate. By monitoring your soil, you can adjust your practices to ensure your plants thrive. A flourishing survival garden offers numerous benefits beyond food security. It provides a sense of self-reliance and connection to nature. It's a source of fresh, healthy produce that nourishes your body and soul. Tending to your garden is a rewarding experience that teaches patience, resilience, and respect for the environment. It's an opportunity to connect with the rhythms of nature and appreciate the interconnectedness of life. By embracing the principles of soil health and sustainable gardening, you create a legacy of resilience and abundance. Go to preparedness.com and join the community. Your survival garden becomes a sanctuary of life, a testament to your commitment to self-sufficiency and environmental stewardship.